when I found out we were twinning or doing something like somebody else within our ambassador group, you know, I had to pick Jenna. My inspiration, really the person who got me started on Phorm and all of that great stuff. So Jenna, this is my attempt to be you, y'all. So this is my first hair, my first wig. I wore the shades because my eyes give it away. You have beautiful brown eyes and I've got these blues. So again, this is my tribute to you. Rock the Phorm leggings, love it. It's cold here. I had to cover up my arms because, girl, I do not have arms like you. But again, love Jenna Fail, and this is my hats off and tribute to you. Have a great day.